Why do I have so much junk in my closet? Ow! Ooh! Look at how cute he looks. Not sponsored by Disneyland. I actually want to go for my birthday. So Disneyland, please open back up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia May and thank you so much for joining me today. So yeah, happy Monday. There we go. If you guys are new here, I talk all things business, personal finance, and entrepreneurship here on my channel. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to join the family, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well so you're notified anytime. So you're notified every single time that I post a new video every Monday and Thursday. If you find any of this information valuable, interesting, if you just enjoy, you know, the content, just want to help a girl out, help to grow the channel, go ahead and hit that like button. It means so much for the channel. It helps push with the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube knows that this information is valuable and they want to go ahead and put this video in front of other people. Also, I just wanted to say in this video, you're going to see some pieces that are a little bit more high-end, a little bit more expensive. This is not a flex or anything. It's not meant to be like, oh, look what I was about to throw away. These are some of the old things that my parents have. I consider my parents' money different from my money. I am a broke college student or grad. It's not meant to like flex on anyone or whatever, you know what I mean? So the whole purpose of this video is to show you guys what you have in your own closet so you can go ahead and make some money off of it yourself. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the video, guys, and yeah. Hey guys, so it is a Monday morning and yeah, is it Monday? I think it is Tuesday morning. Hello, hi, how are ya? And so I decided instead of going sourcing today because I have a bit of an itch to go sourcing. When I start shopping, like I really like to keep shopping. But the thing is that I actually have a lot of clothes from high school that I had at my dad's house. My parents are divorced, like very normal, whatever. But yeah, so I had a bunch of clothes at my dad's house, and so while I was away at college, he literally just threw away my whole room. But he kept everything inside luggage just in case like he wanted to donate it, and he was just gonna throw away all of these things. He knows that I do a lot of reselling, so he was like, okay, I'll just put everything aside for you, and we'll go ahead and see if you want to resell any of it. And thank God he did, because guys, you won't believe what my dad was about to throw away. I was shocked. I was like, okay, me, like old me, like looking out for future me, like selling on Poshmark. But I actually had a lot of cute things because, you know, cute style. I just wanted to show you guys how many things I had and what specifically my dad was gonna throw out, and you really won't believe what some of the things were. So I'm washing my sheets right now, but so that's why my bed looks like this. So like that's where I always film. I have like a little mirror there in case you guys were wondering. You guys, literally, I think the first thing that you're gonna see is obviously these Louis Vuitton bags. So these are real. They're my mom's old ones, and I know, like, just if you know my mom, like, she's definitely not copying anything that's fake. That's not to sound like, you know, a certain type of way, but I know that they're definitely from a reliable source because they were my mom's old ones. Like, this actually was my mom's diaper bag for me, and I used to wear this. I used it a lot in college, and the strap actually broke right here, so I can't use that anymore, and it cost more for me to try to fix that bag than it would be for me to just like buy a new bag. I also got this as a gift from Aldo. A friend gave that to me in college for my work bag, and I just like never really used it. This also is like the smaller version of this bag. I thought about using this, but honestly, like I don't really find it too cute anymore. I thought about maybe like refurbishing it. I'm gonna like look into the Real and Tradesy and list it there. If not, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and consign it. My auntie, she's not my real auntie, but you know how you have like those people in your life that are like, you know, like they're your auntie but you're not related in any way. She actually owns a super cool consignment store in San Francisco called Closet 1942. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it down there in the description bar just because go support her. She's amazing. First, before I do any of that, I'll probably reach out to her and see what we can do with these bags. This Louis Vuitton bag, I just don't really find it very cute. My mom is really awesome. Like, she lets me keep all of her bags that she doesn't want anymore, that like aren't in season anymore, so I'll probably also go ahead and just consign this as well. Like, so this is like a pile of like my old school stuff. I wore a uniform my whole life. These don't include uniforms, but they include like sweatshirts that I had from when I did sports. These are things that I'm actually going to keep. So a lot of like super cute, comfortable, like I have some like Hollister shorts. I'm actually wearing a pair of them now. And then I separated everything. So this is like all these dresses. Like there's some super cute dresses. This one I wore to like prom. Did I wear it to prom? No, I wore this to homecoming, but it's super cute, lacy, amazing detailing on it. This one is super cute. It's like this long, has like some lace detailing at the bottom, and this is from Nordstrom. I had like a bunch of socks since I played sports all of my life. I don't know how well socks will go, but I figured might as well try because these are all like Nike Elites. Those were really big back in the day. Like guys would like go crazy for like the different colorways of the Nikes. So I don't know, like I'm thinking maybe I'll just sell those in like a big bundle pack of socks, as well as these old belts. Try to be cute and snatched. Those scarves. Here are some old like sports bras. I also have some sports bras now that are from Lululemon that I have for my own personal closet. When I studied abroad, you don't have dryers, so things don't shrink back to normal, so the straps ended up like just stretching out a little bit too much for me personally. So I'll go ahead and also put those up on my closet. Some Hollister jeans, some Express jeans, some super cute like summery, because I was all about like the boho like Tumblr vibe back in the day. I had some really cool shirts. Like I said, I used to be really into thrifting when I was younger. This Grateful Dead tour shirt from Europe 1990, so I think this will definitely get snagged up. I actually really like the shirt and I cut it myself. Actually, I think I will keep this. Different like chargers, apparel, some Bazinga, Sheldon, love that. So this Adidas shirt, I think I've only worn that once or twice. Some stuff from Pink, Duke. I have a lot of like old college stuff. This is really cute actually. I got this at the outlets like a while back, and this I got for like super cheap. I think I got this for like $15. Another like Ralph Lauren dress that I wore for like one interview. Tommy Hilfiger stuff. Some cute jean jackets or jeans vests that I went ahead and thrifted in high school. I'm gonna go ahead and like take photos of everything right now. Some cute cardigans. Cardigans do really well. I just want to point that out just so you guys know. Bershka, a lot of Brandy Melville because I used to be obsessed. This is Huff actually. I don't know why I have this. Huff used to be big in the day, so I don't know if it's still selling for a lot of money now, but I'll probably check on like Grailed, things like that, eBay, see if anyone might be interested in those. I have like a bunch of like these cheapy sunglasses. I didn't realize this, but people actually like to buy like old designer bags. So like we just have like a ton at my dad's house and my mom's house. This was actually really cute. I'm pretty sure we got this at Justice for me when I was little, or probably on a trip. These I think I actually will keep. I'm a big fan of Disneyland. I've gone over like probably 40 times in my lifetime, so I think I actually might keep these because I will most definitely be going back to Disneyland. These like Chanel duffel bags, I have like 2 of those. And by all means, this is not like to like flex and be like, we just have so many things just laying around the house that are designer. My parents are my parents, like they have their own things that's separate. I'm not my parents. These are some of the things that they had. That's not to flex or anything on anyone, but I just thought I would throw that out there because I know some people are gonna be like, just some like cute little makeup bags. Like I got this in an Ipsy package. Like I used to get the Ipsy boxes. Also this, I used to be like really into like old like hypebeast. I don't even know if this is considered hypebeast, but like streetwear and stuff like that. So this old like the hundreds beanie. I think I've only worn that a few times. I used to work at the Aria, which is a hotel here in Las Vegas, and I worked there as a pool girl. This I'm not actually gonna sell. I'm gonna keep this. My best friend went to Duke and she graduated from there a few years ago, so I like to keep little mementos of when she was at school. We have some more scarves. This is just like a basic scarf. Nice material, all cotton. And then this is an all silk scarf. So when I used to like do braids in my hair and stuff, I can't do it as much anymore just because my hair breaks really easily, so I can't do braids, which really sucks because I think they're absolutely beautiful. It was like a silk scarf for your hair. I got this in Thailand actually. This is super cute. I thought about keeping it because sometimes like when I go to the beach and stuff, I don't want to carry like a nice, you know, like wallet or anything. Just more little wallets, things like that. Another belt. I'll probably just put that with the other belts. Also, I had a bunch of like super cute like old costume jewelry. These things I'm gonna keep. Like I'm a bit of a hoarder. Like this is from when I went to Life is Beautiful. I have like a lot of cool like statement costume pieces like in here that I'm gonna go ahead and put up on my website as well, or on my Poshmark closet. I actually got these probably in like Hong Kong or something like that. I got these in Thailand, I know that for sure. Old candy from when I went to EDC. Hopefully EDC next year won't be canceled. Asian May, that's me. Clearly blue and yellow are some of my favorite colors. This is obviously my phone. This is not going to be for sale. Don't roast me because I have a home button, whatever. Another Ipsy makeup bag. I used to be obsessed with these American Apparel like bows. I had a ton of them when I was a little. Cute green velvet bow. Too adult for this now. I think it's a little bit weird for me to be styling these. I loved these in high school because I always wear a uniform and we were very
limited to what we could use and wear at school, so I always would like to accessorize with some cute big bows. I also found some of my old Lululemon headbands. I know that I have more of them at my dad's house. So I used to collect these a lot, and like it was like a thing in the volleyball community to like have it in like every color, as well as like Lululemon shorts. That's everything. So I wanted to use this as a point of inspiration for people. Use your own closet first. Like, don't just go ahead and start sourcing and paying money for things, even if it is only a couple dollars for each item. Really look at your own closet, especially if you are coming back from college. You have so much old stuff from high school that I guarantee you have not touched. Like, go through your stuff from high school, because I know for sure I have hundreds of dollars just sitting in this pile. Take a look inside of your own closet, because you will be surprised how much money is just sitting in there.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found anything in this video informative, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps, again, so much with the YouTube algorithm. So just go ahead, give me a little. And if you're interested in seeing more content from me every Monday and Thursday, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and hit that bell notification so you know when exactly I post those. So thank you so much for joining me again today. If you find anything that you want or whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below for my Poshmark closet as well. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and shop some of the things that I have from my own personal closet, as well as anything that I pick up. Also, so you guys know, any links that are down below are in fact affiliate links, which means that I make a small percentage of a commission at no additional cost to you. It just comes out of Amazon's wallet. Just Bezos really ain't hurting that much, and I thank you so much.